आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question states, for light diverging from a point source, the wavefront is spherical, the intensity decreases in proportion to the distance squared, the wavefront is parabolic, the intensity at the wavefront does not depend on the distance. Okay, so let's see what is a wavefront. We have a point source, right? We have a point source which is producing light. So light is coming from each and every part of this light source. So light will be coming from this side, from this side, from this side, from this side, from each and every direction light is coming. So we get points, right? Wavefront is defined as the surface. It's defined as a surface over which the phase of the wave is constant. That's one definition. Another we can say that is that it's defined as the surface containing all the points which are affected by the wave, by the wave at a given amount of time. In the same way, this wavefront is affected by the wave, and the second wavefront will be affected by the wave in the same way at a given time. So that is how we define a wavefront. So if we join these dots at particular time, so we'll get a spherical shape, and this is what we call as wavefront. And this wavefront will become the source of the next wavefront, and we'll get something like this. Then this wavefront will become the source of the next wavefront. See, the point source is the source of this wavefront is the source of this wavefront, and this wavefront will be the source of this wavefront. So yes, the wavefront for a point source will be spherical. Option A is right. Now see, intensity is defined as the power per unit area, and in this case area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, so it will be P by 4 pi r square. What is r? R is the radius of this sphere, of these spheres. Radius for this sphere will be distance from this to this. Can you see it? From this point to this point, and the radius of this will be measured from the center to this point, and the radius of this again from the center to this point will give us the radius. So intensity is inversely proportional to r square, that is distance from the point source to the the wavefront that we are talking about. It's inversely proportional. So as we go far away from the point source, the intensity will decrease. It's obvious, if we go away from the point source, there will be a time when there will be darkness. Intensity is the measure of energy. There will be no energy, there will be no brightness as we go far from this point source. So yes, the intensity decreases in proportion to the distance squared. So we have two right options, A and B.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।